Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel 𝗙𝗵𝗁 WordPress tutorials. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your WordPress website easily. Here is my website. It's our resume website. I have installed a theme with a demo content, but it's not installed properly, and this is why I want to install the theme with demo content from scratch again. In this case, I need to reset my website. So in this video I will show you how you can reset your WordPress website easily. Here is my website dashboard. Log in into your WordPress admin panel and follow me. After login into your WordPress admin panel, find out plugins and click over there, and now click on add new. Search WP reset. Here you can see a plugin WP reset most advanced WordPress reset tools. Just install it and then active the plugin. Well, WP reset plugin installed successfully. Now scroll down and find out tools. Under tools you will find WP reset. Click over there. WP reset plugin has some features. If you want to go back to your previous contents after resetting, then you need to go to snapshots. Here you can be able to create a snapshots. If you create snapshots, then you will be able to restore your WordPress website with old contents. If you want to go back to your old contents after resetting your WordPress website, then in this case you need to create a new snapshot. For now I do not need to create a snapshot because I will reset WordPress website and go back to the default installation of WordPress. To reset your WordPress website, go back to reset tab again and scroll down to bottom and then type here reset. If you do not want to reactivate WP reset plugin, then you can uncheck this. Remember, if you already create snapshots, then do not try to uncheck this. And then finally click on reset button to reset the WordPress website. I'm going to reset my WordPress website. Just wait few seconds, it will reset. Well, the reset already completed, and it's go back to the default WordPress installations.